Paano mag-send money via wallet to wallet?
Whenever you tell me I'm pretty, that's when the hunger really hits me. Your little heart goes pitter-patter. I want your liver on a platter. Use your finger to stir.
Unang-una, i-open ang ML Wallet app and itap ang send money. Ito na yung lalabas at itap lamang ang next. Next. And i-click lamang ang wallet to wallet. Then add ka ng receiver. I-fill in lang yung mga needed information. ML wallet number ng iyong papadalhan. First name and last name. For example, this is the first name of my receiver. And then I will proceed to her last name. Then after that, below that is her registered number. I will input it, and then after that, I will click the search receiver. As you will see, make sure to review the information, okay? Just click the search receiver, then tap OK, then save receiver, click it. Then mahina yung connection ko. Internet hina. Then, tap OK. Then, lalabas na yung receiver mo. Click mo lang yung receiver mo. Then, select receiver. Then, you have to enter the amount kung magkano yung ipapadala mo. For example, in my case, 575. And then, just click the send money. It's an optional. Type an optional message to receiver. You can input or you will not input anything. Then next, click na next. Then you will input your 6-digit PIN. Then allow, then validate. Click the validate. Okay. Need kasi i-open yung location. Okay, tap OK. Successful na yung transaction mo. May magsasend message sa'yo. Then, this is your transaction receipt. You will send it to your receiver. You can just go back home and then you will see your balance is 25 pesos. Ganun lang po kadali mag-send money via wallet to wallet. So if you have questions or suggestions, you can just comment down below. And thank you for watching this video.